welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Inga here, and if you are new here, welcome to my channel. This is where I do DIYs, business and entrepreneurship videos, and also a little bit of my lifestyle. So welcome, and if you want to join this nation, just go ahead and smash that subscribe button. We'd love to have you to be a part of this nation. So today I'm bringing you another DIY, and it's a tissue paper for your business DIY, as you can see from the title. Yeah, we're going to be doing that today. I did one of these earlier, like some years ago I should say. When I first started YouTube, I did a designer logo type with tissue paper. I'll have it linked somewhere above here. You guys can go and check that out also. So yeah, and stay tuned to the end of this video. I have a special announcement. I think you guys know what I'm going to be talking about. That cute little wrapping that you see all of the small business or the boss lady or boss babes are putting in their packages with their wrappings. You can do this at home for yourself. Let's get into this video. So guys, this is my logo here, and I have it already ready in my Silhouette Cameo. You can do it in documents or Microsoft Words. Just import your logo into that area that you're doing it. It's super easy to do if you're familiar with this stuff. And yeah, you can print it out from the Microsoft Word or the documents or whatever you would call it. So what I did was I changed the logo color, as you can see, to that gold and black only. And I did like a bunch of logos. I didn't want them lined properly. I just wanted them to be, you know, like scattered around. What you can do is you can make these a little bit smaller, because you don't need to have the entire page like full like this, but you can just do a few of them on a page. This is an 8x10 that I'm using. I think it's 8 by, no, this is 8.5 by 11 that I'm using. You're free to use a larger size paper. It's according to what type of printer you're dealing with. I have an HP Envy that I have been using for years, and if you watch the video that I did some years ago with the Chanel logo tissue paper, this is the same printer that I'm using right now. So yeah, this is the same. So yeah, this is the logo area right here, and I'm gonna be printing this out. So I have it in black and gold, which are suitable colors. You would want to always have like a black color or something like that, or something that matches with your logo when you're doing this, but I think soft colors will be more suitable for it. So that's why I changed the colors from that. You know, this here on my logo is hot pink, so, and this INC is also pink, so I just did it one straight color. And I don't know if your option can do that, but this is what I can do with my Cameo. So I'm going to be using regular printer paper. Some people have been using a thicker piece of paper, but I'm just going to use this. And if you want to, that's an option for you. You can use cardstock, but I think this will work properly with my computer. I don't want it to get stuck or anything. Yeah, so this is 8x10, and I'm just going to place the tissue paper on top of this. So watch and see. So this is some Scotch tape that I am going to be using, and this is just one sheet of the tissue paper that I'm going to be using. So it's completely optional to you on what color you want to use, but I'm using white. And I'm just going to get my scissors, and I'm going to cut this paper. Yeah, so that's that. Put that to the side. So here's the tissue paper that I have right here. I do not want it exactly the size of the sheet, so I'm just going to straighten it up a little bit more. And like I said, it's optional as to what or how you would want to, what size you want. You can use a larger paper and feed it into your computer. So this is what I'm using. And then I just don't want it to get stuck inside the printer, so this is how I'm gonna do it. Okay. I'm just gonna take like a few pieces of the tape, little pieces of it, just to hold it down a bit. So it doesn't move when it's placed inside the printer. So there we have this like that. And I'm gonna place it into the printer right now. Like I said, this is a oldie but goodie printer. I've had this for years. I don't even think it's available anymore. So I'm gonna put the paper, not the tissue side, but this side, down into the printer like so. Okay. Like so. And then I'm gonna send this to the printer. So I also went ahead and printed out the stickers for the tissue paper, these little black round circles that you see here. And if you guys want to know how I did those, just leave a comment down in the comment box and I will be happy to share a video for you guys. So when you're done, you can just simply move the paper off of the 8x10. And just the little pieces of tape, you could just like cut them off. So I'm just going to do a little demonstration with one of the boxes showing you what I do. Like so. So when it's flipped over, it's like this. And like that.